सर गुड टू गो। लाइव करूं?
1 minute.
ओके, 1 मिनट के बाद लाइव करता हूं।
Fine. Yeah, we can start.
गुड टू गो सर।
Thanks a lot. Hi, good afternoon, everybody. A warm welcome to all of you. Thanks a lot for joining today's Dubik Digital Forum from Taratali Business Services. Myself, Mr. Amit Gaurav, I am the host and the speaker for the afternoon. Dubik Forum is a customer engagement and education initiative across cities where industry leaders from across business verticals come in to discuss how digital technologies are being used to deliver compelling products and services, connect faster with customers, and optimize costs. These forums are an engagement platform for our customer, wherein on a continual basis, CTBS tries to understand the challenges and provide them with relevant digital solutions. Prevailing the current global situation of efficiently operating with limited capacity, our smart solutions will enable you to efficiently work from home to meet the ends of your customers and the organization. Before we start the session, I will quickly set the session rules. Dubik Digital Forum is live and brought to you by Taratali Business Services. All the attendees will be on a listen-only mode. We have a dedicated Q&A session post our presentation, so please post your queries, your questions on the chat window, and we will certainly address them. We have also organized the live polls, wherein 5 questions will be displayed on your screen. For the live polls, you'll have to click on the right side at the bottom of your screen and then attempt the poll. There will be 5 questions with multiple choice options. You have to select any 3 relevant options and submit a poll opinion. Can we have the live polls, please?
Thank you so much, sir. The first poll: what are the top 3 trends that are currently impacting your industry? I repeat the question: what are the top 3 trends that are currently impacting your industry? First is digital transformation, second is post description, third is availability of finance, business continuity, operation relations, and business growth expansion. I repeat the option: digital transformation, post description, availability of finance, business continuity, and operation relations, and business growth and extension. Your 30 seconds starts now. You have to select any of these 3 trends and request to please submit your poll opinion. %52 people are voted, many more to join. "20 seconds left. I request to all attendees, please participate in this poll. Thank you so much. Next poll, please. Next poll, same poll button. No change. What are the top 3 areas of investment for your company? I repeat the questions. What are the top 3 area investment for your company? Hiring to meet demand, upgrading technology, software, hardware, upgrading infrastructure, internet, cloud, connectivity, and others telecom solution, operations, marketing, and sales. I repeat the option: hiring to meet demand, upgrading technology, software, hardware, sorry, upgrading infrastructure, internet, cloud, connectivity, and other telecom solutions, operations, marketing, and sales. Your 30 seconds starts now. You have 30 seconds to answer this poll. I request you all attendees, please answer the poll. "20 seconds left. 10 seconds left. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Third poll, please. Which of the following Tata Tele offering are you aware of? Which of the following Tata Tele offering are you aware of? Collaboration solution, Zoom, web conferencing solution, Smart Flow, etc. IoT solutions, fleet assets, vehicle tracking, cloud and SaaS, cloud CRM, digital survey, live chat, etc. Security solutions. The 30 seconds starts now. I request all attendees, please take participants in the poll session. Your poll is very important for us. Please share your feedback. 20 seconds left. 67% people are voted. Many more to join. Sorry. 15 seconds left. 10 seconds left. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Next poll, please. Which of our product and solution are of your interest? I repeat the question. Which of our product and solution are of your interest? Cybersecurity solution, IoT solution, fleet tracking, school bus tracking, workforce tracking, access tracking, voice connectivity for remote access, dedicated internet bandwidth, and Zoom. So 30 seconds starts now. I request all attendees, please take participants in the feedback, in the poll, and give your feedback. Twenty seconds left. Ten seconds left. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Over to you, Amit sir.
Thanks a lot, each and every one of you, for participating in the polls. It really means a lot to us. With this, we start with our today's session, and today's theme is empowering business with smart connectivity and cloud communication services. We start our presentation with a small quote. In the long history of humankind, those who learn to collaborate and improvise most effectively have prevailed. A very wise phrase by Charles Darwin, and we all know about the history of his evolution theory. Once he had clearly mentioned that if we improvise in our businesses, if we collaborate with the other services, we will sustain and we will survive to carry on our businesses for the longer run. So this is very much applicable basis on the scenario which we have seen last year during the pandemic, how badly we were affected, how badly we were hit by the sudden lockdowns, and how businesses have actually taken over from there and how they have managed their situation efficiently due to collaboration and the to evolve in order to meet the arising needs of the market. So we have to ensure that the products are designed and products are launched based on the requirement and the need as per the market situation, because SME needs, it keeps on evolving at a constant pace. This is the agenda of the presentation. We will cover the technology landscape, we will cover the SME landscape, what are the kind of challenges which were faced by our SMEs during the first phase of the pandemic, and then we move on to Q&A. The only thing that is constant is change, and along with change, there comes a disruption. So change is inevitable. We have to ensure the learning curve is in the upward direction. We have to be ready to adapt each and every change possible to ensure the longer sustainability for our businesses. So, what's happening to our SMEs and how they are having the upward trend? These are the key technology trends which are enabling the agility for our SMEs, which includes the business continuity plan, also includes the cloud and then the security. When we talk about redefining the business continuity plan, we have to ensure that there are lower business interruption costs. Cost is the most important parameter for any organization's balance sheet and the profit and loss statement. So we have to ensure that we don't go overboard on the cost part. We have to act according to our plan. We have to act according to our plan. Each and every organization, they have a long-term plan as well as a short-term plan. Long-term plan are being driven by the management. They have the vision, the visions which have been set by the management for the organization, and those are the imperatives which are driven by the on the short-term plan by the mid and the lower level management. We have to resume our operations immediately, and that's what we have seen in the Unlock 2.0 and the Unlock 3.0, wherein we were, able to manage our businesses with the digitization, how we were progressing, and how we were moving with the upward trend, with the demands of the market. Security is critical, and we have to ensure that we are able to provide the secure environment for our employees as well as the customers. We will cover extensively security in our subsequent slides under our portfolio of security solutions. We also have to create an integrated risk management system, so at any given point of time, our operations are not suffer, and they are continued as per the processes of the organization. So these are the when we talk about redefining the business continuity plan for our SMEs. So what are the business challenges due to the COVID-19 pandemic? During the first phase of the pandemic, certain organizations have faced them. They have suffered them because we were not digitally sound. We were not digitally present in every aspect of our businesses. The first and the foremost challenge was employee tracking. Here we doesn't mean that employee tracking is to track their whereabouts. It is purely to do the work from home protocols which have been laid by the organization, whether the whether the employees are following the same, are they really working in a secure environment, their networks are secure so that they can have the access of the important applications. Collaboration, when we talk about collaboration, we were unable to meet the distant team member face to face. We used to have those cross-functional meetings, discussions in the boardrooms, in the meeting rooms, in the conference rooms, which were completely stopped because we were working from home. We were also unable to connect our customers face to face to take up the business challenges. Accessibility to the servers or the applications, so we were unable to access the office data, the servers, and the application due to the infrastructure challenges. Physical travel to the office was not possible because we were completely immobile, so we were unable to access the office infrastructure due to the lack of security. Last but not the least, accessibility to the voice infrastructure, and this was typically to deal with the services industry, wherein the call center agents were unable to reach out to their customers, whether it's inbound or the outbound calls. So there are a lot of voice regulations which have been laid down by the authorities. It isn't disruption if you're ready for it. Disruption is coming. The difference between panic and a poise is preparation. So how well we are prepared to handle our situations, how well we are, having a digital network or digitization within the organization ecosystem. Are we really prepared for it to handle the pandemic kind of a situation? That's what we meant by Charles Darwin's theory of collaboration and improvisation. So by going digital, we gave our organization the ability and agility to turn disruption into opportunity. And that's what we have seen in the digital economy space, how organizations like Amazon, how organizations or big brands like Netflix, Airbnb, Facebook were able to create that kind of ecosystem. This is the trend of how our SMEs are adopting the digital ecosystem. So digital adoption by our Indian SMEs, the smart way is to adopt the digital technology, which is the key to unlocking the full business potential for SMEs and the SMEs. So 43% of our SME, they use various internet platforms to sell and promote themselves. 75% of the SMBs in India, they believe that digital adoption is the key to their success, and 73% of the Indian SMBs, they are confident of bouncing back post-COVID. So what are you waiting for? Let's taste the success of digital transformation within the organizational ecosystem. So this is the shifting focus of our SMEs. Currently, we are having an upward curve in the digital adoption, under the new normal. So our SMEs are very much there and they are having that upward curve. As I earlier mentioned, between the long term and the short term focus, it is clearly evident that with the increased tactical degree, how the shorter term focus bottom line drives the decision. These are the 5 simple guidelines at Taratele Business Services. We believe if our SMEs, they do follow these guidelines for technology, they are very much home to nurture their digital ecosystem. So when it comes to technology, obsolete is a huge cost, and over the period of time, technology will become obsolete. There are a lot of upgrades which keeps on taking place when it comes to technology. And technology, it is not a real estate that will appreciate over the period of time. So we recommend to rent it rather than own it. SME needs are very unique and simple, but their processes keeps on evolving at a constant pace. So we have to select a fit for purpose versus a scale up. Unused capacity of technology is extremely costly. So we have to use our capex to build the core business rather than investing into technology. So we have to build as you grow and pay as you. So we recommend a pay-per-use model when it comes to technology for our organization. The cost of integration is always 10x for any new product. So the onus will be on the SMEs to ensure that everything fits together. So API integration plays a very much an important role, and we have, as I earlier mentioned, we have to ensure the products are in sync with the market requirement. Similarly, basis on the requirement, we have to select the right set of products for our organization. So we have to look for an integrated solution versus silos of products. Last but not the least, we have to ensure there is ample of IT support at the back end. So IT talent is expensive. You have to ensure the support is linked to the spend and it is not a fixed cost. So this is the overall 5 phase or 5 steps guidelines to ensure that the technology is apt for the organization to manage the entire ecosystem, and it helps us into digitization. So with this, we move on with Tata Tele Business Services. Do big with smart solutions. This is our core strength at Tata Tele Business Services. I would like to stress a bit on this slide because it talks about the complete ecosystem which we are driving to ensure that our customers who are into the SME sector, which is the most important, the contributing sector in the overall GDP of our country. We have 40,000 plus business customers currently in our ecosystem, and they are using our products and services. We have 1,400 plus channel partners who are constantly interacting with the SMEs, who are constantly in touch with them for the to fulfill the needs of these SMEs, which are very much unique, which are constantly growing and which are constantly upgrading. We have 1,500 plus channel team members who are dealing with our SMEs day in day out, so that they can deliver the requirement on in a timely manner. We have 60 plus cities present across India, which covers the length and the breadth of uh, the regions, the cities, and the zones. We have 1,000 plus strong enterprise team members who are very much experienced to manage and cater the needs of our SMEs. We have a very good network, which is almost around 125,000 plus kilometer of optical fiber. There are 160,000 plus visits per month, which have been carried out by our service engineers, by our delivery or the network engineers who are dealing with our customers day in day out. Last but not the least, we have 60,000 plus connected buildings in our ecosystem, which are on our own network. So this is the complete TT-based portfolio. We are a certified one-stop shop solution provider for our SMEs, and there is a complete bouquet of products and services, which is divided into 6 verticals at Tata Tele Business Services. We have the connectivity solutions, we have the security solutions, we have the collaboration services, we have cloud and SaaS, we have marketing solutions, and the IoT solutions. The newly added baby to our portfolio is Smart Solutions, which is a cloud communication suite, and we will cover it extensively in a subsequent slide. If you see, we are very much there. We have presence across all the verticals of the product and services delivery. So you need not worry about any third party, or you need not worry about multitasking while dealing with your vendors or operators for delivering the important connectivity or solution products and services. So we are there to cater to each and every requirement. We are there to take care of it. So once you connect with our team members, we will ensure that everything is delivered to you end to end from Tata Tele Business Services. So we are a one-stop shop communication provider. With this, we move on with the first product portfolio under the product line Smart VPN. So now we can think about bounce back with remote and secure connectivity. You get the reliable security for your data while you stay connected from the safety of your. In this, we have the remote access through our MPLS, which is the traditional MPLS network, which requires a high bandwidth and SLA driven connectivity. Reliable data security, quick and easy to install, seamless business continuity, and multi-device OS support. So with our Smart VPN, which is a new age MPLS VPN for our SMEs. So this is our traditional MPLS, which needs to be connected between the hub and the spoke location for the businesses with high bandwidth and the SLA based last mile on MPLS. We have Internet VPN, which is a low cost connectivity with a managed security services overlay with the unified threat management. And we also have the MPLS LT, one of the innovations that Tata Tele Business Services. You can now stay connected with the remotest of the branch or the POS or the warehouses on the LTE SIM with low cost scalable option. We also have the Secure Connect, wherein your third party cloud provider can have a secure and a private extension on MPLS. And last but not the least, the remote access, where we can remotely access your business for work from home or ensuring continuity in the times of the law. This is our Smart VPN, which is a wireless last mile, which is telco agnostic, LTE GSM based last mile connectivity. As I earlier mentioned, it is one of the innovations. Feasibility, now you get the feasibility anywhere, everywhere. Cost benefit, it is plug and play and ease of deployment. A managed secure enterprise grade wireless data VPN solution over cellular network at last mile. We also have the aggregation of multiple telcos. Bandwidth supported 1 to 2 Mbps. SIM procurement and manageability is to be done by the solution partner. Dual multipath connectivity and centralized monitoring. This is one interesting case study with Bharat Cooperative Bank Limited, and we all know that they have the legacy in the cooperative banking sector. They cover the length and the breadth of the rural Maharashtra, and how they have the complete widespread geography across all the regions of Maharashtra, be it the small, tier 2 and tier 3 and a tier 4 towns. So they have their existence into the banking industry since 1978, and they had a unique kind of a requirement when we started discussing with their IT team and their IT heads regarding the delivery of the solution. So they wanted us to provide a seamless connectivity to their entire team, which was spread across the branches, and these branches were in the remotest of the locations. They also wanted to provide a seamless availability of core banking solutions to their customers through internet banking. So there was a lot of security which was involved over here. So as a solution, we had to discuss in depth with Bharat Cooperative Bank Limited and their team who are managing their entire IT and the infrastructure backend. So we provided them with the secure MPLS network for bank to prioritize and set up highly efficient routes for customer traffic. We provided them also with the multiple PRL lines, facilitating concurrent transmission of voice as well as data traffic over the dedicated line. And we also provided them with the high-speed internet lease line connectivity for business efficiency. If you see, the overall operational efficiency has improved at Bharat Cooperative Bank Limited. Now their employees were able to access the important application while on the brand banking side, which was otherwise not possible. They had increased customer base due to the internet banking facilities available, made available to them by Bharat Cooperative Bank Limited, and there was a greater customer satisfaction. Now we can reimagine work from home with our smart internet. So this is one of the innovations at Tata Business Services. This is where we provide you a dedicated internet on a secure network through a clean pipe. So now you can enjoy uninterrupted secure internet connection at home through our secure VPN access, remote access from home, and commitment of the SLA at 99.5%. So with our smart internet, now you get a one-stop shop solution for all your needs. So be it a bandwidth, manageability, work from home, and it comes with a scalable option. You get guaranteed peace of mind. So in terms of financial and business benefits due to the technical capability, complete freedom from worries. So there is no difficulty in ownership, deployment, router management, and configuration. When it comes to the product features, it provides you the secure VPN access, user authentication, plug and play, next generation UI enhancers, and managed security. When it comes to the commercial or the financial, there is zero capex, better and higher returns on investment. It reduces the operational cost and better employee productivity. Business continuity, work from home, work from field, or on the go, and scalable as per business needs and future ready. With our smart internet, now you can get a smart digital adoption is the key to unlocking the full business potential for SMEs and the SMEs. Now you get the best of internet and security with smart internet bundle with it, which is with UTM, the Unified Threat Management, with no additional cost. What are the key features? It is completely a cost-effective solution. So affordable monthly rental start from just rupees 249. Totally scalable. It starts from 15 users and it can go up to 5,000 users. Wide range of bandwidth. It is available for our bandwidth from 10 to 500 Mbps and as a standard offering. Feature rich with zero capex, so no capex investment, and comes with the security of UPN. Plug and play and easy to install and supports all the laptops and mobiles. One interesting case study with ridership management. Just excuse me for a minute. I'll just have some water. Tranship management, they are into marine cargo and they have their customers spread across continents, and they had a very unique feature like requirement. They wanted to give their customers a capability of 24 by 7, 365 days a year with a marine operation solution. So their problem statement was they wanted a reliable remote access solution through which they are able to, they can connect to their international client as well as their backend operations in India. So we had to evaluate it. We had to do a lot of brainstorming within our team, and then we started discussing the possible solutions. Wherein Randship management team who were heading the spearheading this project on their behalf, we had a lot of discussions. Our solution engineering team who acts as a consultant to our customers, they evaluated the solution and they provided them with the necessary capability with our smart internet. So with our smart internet, which is a complete solution comprising of remote access, managed services and security features which are backed by the QTM, Randship management, they evaluated our expertise in providing the cutting edge solutions in this space, and they deployed the remote access for their employees. Now, with the help of the remote access, their employees were able to access all the important applications while working from home or remotely around. So with this, their employees were now able to provide all the necessary information to their customers in a timely manner. Security solutions, as I earlier mentioned, the most important aspect for businesses during the current pandemic situation. What are the cyber security needs? Cyber security needs arises while browsing net, while protecting the company server, while checking emails. A lot of phishing mails keeps on floating across the platform, and during the work from home scenario. So there were a sudden spike and a rise in the cyber attacks during the first phase of the pandemic, and even the BSE had actually warned the market intermediaries during such attacks been carried out. So we have to be very, very, very agile. We have to be very, very, very prudent of the fact that such attacks will never end, will never stop. And the situation was very much vulnerable while managing the work from home kind of a scenario for an organization, because there are a lot of data breach which has taken place. So these are the assets and the security at an organization which has to be protected. When it comes to the assets, we have the access, we have the server applications, and in access we have the routers, we have the servers, we have the emails and the cloud services. We also have in the endpoint, we have the desktop, laptops, and the smartphones. They're the smartphones. So security needs to be sure everything is checked. For hardware, we have the access and the servers, and in software, we have everything. So we have to ensure that each and every asset of our organization is completely secure. And it is our responsibility to give a secure environment to our employees as well as to our customers. So what are the components of the security offering? When it comes to product, we offer the data security, we have the endpoint, identity and the access management, and the network security. In services, we provide you with the consulting, implementation, testing, operations, and incident. So this is the use cases and the risk mitigation for new ways of working. So while we were into the new era or the new normal, so how can we protect the, how the situation was more vulnerable. So these are the basic three scenarios where the security need was extremely high. The first scenario, we have the accidental device misuse. So when the employee or the staff, they are working from home or remotely, they are working on the official laptop or the small screens or the desktop which was provided to them from home. So these devices may be left unlocked and could be accidentally, misused by members other than the employee. So there is a a major threat over here. We have also studied the user behavior, wherein users blending work tasks with web browsing, social media time, and personal emails. There are also scenarios where the removable media devices may be attached to the work laptops and personal devices being used to complete the work. Again, the vulnerability of such threat is at a higher risk. Always stay connected in the race to stay always connected on the network. The employees tend to look out for those open Wi-Fi's or the unsecured or the shared Wi-Fi network. So devices are left connected to the business network. Most important applications might be accessible as the boundary between office hours and the recreational time is increasingly. So the risk mitigation is extremely higher, and we are more vulnerable for cyber threats. So these are the component of the solution. We have the software application, in which we have the software application, multiple OS support, in analytics to provide you with the security reports, user group reports and notifications and alerts. In administrative portal, we have the policy management, exception management, and single view of health status of all the devices. In cloud hosting, we have the real-time discovery and the patch management. So what are the product feature set and the device types it supports? It supports all the Windows, PC, desktop, laptop servers. In Apple, it supports all the Mac laptops, Apple iOS smartphones, and the Android smartphone. Again, it is a feature-rich product. We'll move on to the case study. One interesting case study when during the pandemic, we have provided the necessary solution to our customers so that they need not worry about their backend operation. So one of our customer, they provide the end-to-end business processing and outsourcing services and solutions with expertise across various domains. So their focus was on low-cost processing and high quality, and they were managing the food delivery applications. So they were looking at a complete zero trust approach, and they wanted to ensure the remote BPO workers were protected against the increased cyber attack during this service. So we did a lot of evaluation and we provided them with the necessary solution. We provided them with the endpoint security, firewall, and the multi-factor. So now there is a firewall, there is a multi-factor authentication. They are remote BPO workers who are operating from home or remotely. Now we will be able to access all the important applications and provide necessary solution to their customers. One of the newly added maybe to our product portfolio, which is SmartFlow. So SmartFlow is a smart, multimodal, multifunctional, flexible, scalable, secure, and reliable suite of cloud-based communication solutions. So it is a sophisticated cloud smart flow of digital connectivity, business intelligence, and product. So why we recommend SmartFlow? It is anytime, anywhere communication. Your employees need not worry about the cubicles. They are free from the cubicle. It is just like a parachute. You have a complete freedom to connect with your customer, and you can always communicate while you are on the phone. It reduces the operational and the capital cost, so no bulky infrastructure. It works across all the devices, be it the smartphone or the landline, and no infrastructure at the maintenance. Enterprise grade security and reliability, so RESTful API features, click to call, number masking, business continuity with 99.5% uptime, and customizable admin portal and access. Now you can get the complete business intelligence, so it reports and analytics to track agent project progress, call notes, live calls, and data insights, voice to text, keyword mapping, and sentiment analysis. You get on-demand scalability, so it is ultra flexible. It enables you to adapt quickly, works efficiently in changing business conditions. Enhance customer experience, so it provides seamless and frictionless customer experience. Artificial intelligence manages call routing with smart environment, plug and play API integration with multiple applications. So these are the 4 steps or 4 ways where this is how our smart flow operates. So it has an inbound solution with the toll-free number, multi-level IVR, virtual number, CRM integration, extension-based routing, and user input and API integration. Quickly call solutions, so click to call from panel or website. OTP-based calling, number masking, outbound with call transfer to agent and call patching. COD verification, so missed call solutions, SMS-based services, OTP-based calling, missed call with outbound integration, and missed call with IVR flow. In OBD solutions, we have the DTMF-based outbound blast, unlimited routing level, integration of outbound and inbound. With this, we move on with the case study. One of our customers who are a mid-sized BPO with 500 agents or the employees, and they manage to work across multiple processes like vendor management, lead generation, customer service, and the document verification. So they were looking at to scale up the business outcome across multiple lead generation campaigns and customer service processes. And they also wanted to ensure the security of customer data while agents were working. So with our smart flow, we were able to provide them with the hosted contact center, which offers a complete call center operations management with features like blended queue management, built-in CRM integrations, agent panel, call barging, prioritizing call back, sticky agent sentiment analysis, and detailed analytics. The artificial intelligence manages call routing with smart IVR menu. The customer privacy is ensured by number basket. Another collaboration. So with the first slide where I mentioned, improvisation and collaboration. So this is one of the collaborative effort by Tata Tele Business Services to partner with Zoom and provide a single window solution to our customers as the one-stop shop solution provider. So some partnerships are game changing. At Tata Tele Business Services, we believe as a leading provider of digital solutions, Tata Tele Business Services has a deep understanding of customer needs in the SME and enterprise segments, and our partnership with Zoom will provide businesses with highly unified communication solutions, enabling them to collaborate effectively and forge more meaningful relationships with their ecosystem. So now we are making a presence, we are making that bold statement by partnering with Zoom that we are a one-stop shop solution provider for our SMEs. So they need not worry about digitization at their end. We will manage entire ecosystem. So with these solutions, the businesses can put all of their communication concerns to rest and gain access to the best of both the worlds, including trusted service, user-friendly interface, and robust security. This is our complete Zoom solution suite. We have the Zoom meeting, which is now a simplified video conferencing across all your devices. And we also have the Zoom webinars. You can now engage your audiences with flawless technology. These are the advantages with the Zoom services. So it is a one-stop shop for SMEs, complete and a robust security, trusted service, and user-friendly interface. We will brush upon the features. It has you need not worry about the security. You can protect all your meetings with multiple layers of security. It has an advanced data protection. Unlimited meetings, you can host or conduct n number of meetings on the platform with your user and the login and the password. Live transcriptions. You can enable the seamless cross-cultural interactions by using our in-meeting transcription feature that ensures participants are never separated by language barriers. Complete privacy. So Zoom was designed from the ground up to support user privacy and incorporate policies and controls to protect our information with the care it deserves. Cloud-based recording, you need not worry about the storage on your device. We provide you with the cloud-based recording. Marathon meeting sessions, widespread authentication tools, identity management, remote device control, business intelligence, and superior meeting. With this, we end the presentation for our product portfolio. What are the key benefits from Tata Tele businesses? At Tata Tele Business Services, we believe that we are a young and a faster growing brand. We are there to cater to each and every need of our SMEs into the enterprise solutions. So we are an innovative product which is ahead of the time and serves the present and the future needs. Our products are compatible with IPv6 solutions. Best reach, so variety of solutions available to connect remote solutions. Solution also available on the LTE, and that's what we have seen in our smart VPN. We are providing last mile connectivity on the wireless technology. Bundled services to provide solution as a complete offering. ILL can be bundled with CPE, license, and security. So ease of handling for our customers. This is what I was stressing on the one-stop shop solution provider. Best SLAs in the industry. So overall level for our data product is at 99.5%. And TTBS ensure the same is maintained for our connectivity product. Complete transparency. So we have a self-care portal. So now you can access to a self-care portal. It helps in getting the complete visibility of network in terms of utilization, performance of link. You can get all our latest updates through our website, which is saratelibusiness.com. You can reach out to us through our call center number, which is 1800-266-1800. You can reach us out through our email, which is dubig@taratel.co.in, and you can also connect to WhatsApp on 922-33-9822. With this, we come to the end of our presentation, and we are open for Q&A. So please post your questions, your queries to the chat window, and we will certainly address. Can we have the Q&A, please?
Thank you so much, sir, for insightful presentation. I request you all attendees, if you have any query or any question, please write down on question answer box. You can see the right outside. The 4th number box is a question answer, so you can write over there. Meanwhile, we have one feedback session. So I request you all attendees, please take participate in the feedback poll. Your feedback is very important for us. So I request you all attendees, please take participate in feedback poll. You have to go for the feedback poll session. First is a full screen, second is about us, third is poll. You have to click on the poll button. You can see over there the feedback question. The first feedback question is overall experience of this virtual event. I repeat the questions. Overall experience of this virtual event. Your options is excellent, good, average, below average, poor. You have to select any of one. I request you all attendees, please take participate in feedback question. You have 20 seconds to answer this feedback question. Amit sir, we have one question. After feedback session, I will take the question.
Sure.
10 seconds left. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Second feedback question, please. The second feedback question, speaker insight for this insightful presentation. I repeat the question, speaker insights. The options is excellent, good, average, below average, poor. You have 20 seconds to answer this poll. And seconds left. Already 53% people are voted. Any more to join? On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Next feedback question, please. Product insight of this insightful presentation. Product insight. Our option is excellent, good, average, below average, poor. You have to select any of one. I request to all attendees, please take part in this feedback poll. The feedback is very important for us. We can improve our product insights for the presentation. You have only 20 seconds to answer this particular question. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Last feedback poll. Platform experience of this virtual event. You have to rate our platform experience of this virtual event. Your options is excellent, good, average, below average, poor. The time starts now. You have 20 seconds. Ten seconds left. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Amit sir,
Yes, please.
one of our attendees asked a question. Okay, they have a different operators PRI line, and if you want to bundle the smart flow, can we do that?
Yes, we can do that with the smart flow, with our complete telecommunication solution. The one stop. We can do that. Okay. We will connect with them. Just give their coordinates.
Okay, so
Our
I
team
will
get
share
back
the
to you.
details.
Sure.
Thank you so much sir for the question. I will share you the details with our team.
Sure, please.
Our team will be connect with you, and they give you best option for your smart flow and PRI connection.
Thanks a lot. We would like to thank each and every one of you for your active participation in the in today's Dubai Digital Forum, as well as your active participation in the live polls and the feedback. With this, we would like to end the Dubai Digital Forum for all. We would request you all to please follow the COVID-related protocols. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Amit sir. Thank you everyone for joining on time. Thank you so much. Be safe, wear mask.